Hello everyone! Nahiningal ako. So we are still here at Tokyo and we're going home now. Today is Sunday. We're going home now to Osaka. Going to Haneda Terminal 1. Alright, so samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go! We're going to train station guys. Kita namin itong parang food street dito. Okay, parang ano lang siya guys sa Osaka, parang Goromon Market. Pag sa Kyoto naman, Nishiki Market. So, ayan siya guys. Yan. Goromon Market. Okay, Haneda Airport now guys. Going back to Osaka. So everyone, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Palipas na ng oras. Yung flight namin nasa 4 pa. So kain muna kami dito. Then ready to go na. Then as usual, highball. Cheers. Ano ito? Hey, we arrived. We just arrived at Kansai, everyone. Hey ko guys, sinundo niya ako.